Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today's veg lunch combo is a very traditional recipe. We are having Paruppu Thogayal and Jeera Rasam. Just as in North Indian dishes, you have rajma chawal, jeera rice and dal tadka or chole bhature. So also in South Indian recipes, Paruppu Thogayal and Jeera Rasam is an inseparable combo. Especially on say, let us you had some heavy foods earlier, you had a lot of festive fried foods and sweets, and you have attended some parties and all that. Then you want to give your stomach some rest and eat what we call as pattiya food. So that time we make this jeera rice and Paruppu Thogayal, which really feels very comforting for your stomach, good for your digestion. In fact, you can have this once in 2 weeks also as part of your regular meal. And today I have paired it with a beetroot poriyal. Come, let's see how to make it. Try this delicious traditional combo of Paruppu Thogayal and Jeera Rasam, which used to definitely be at least once a week on the menu at home in my childhood. For making the Paruppu Thogayal, just heat about a teaspoon of oil in a pan. I am adding 1 cup of Tuvar dal. Also some people call it as arhar dal. We will just roast it over a low flame till it comes to a lovely golden brown color. Along with that, about 3 dry red chillis. This is a very simple and easy to make dish, yet you have to be careful about certain points. That is, keep the flame low and fry it just till it is golden brown and you get a lovely aroma. Don't allow the dals to burn. Now we will switch it off and transfer it into another plate. Allow it to come down to room temperature. Add some hing, about 1/4 teaspoon, and also required salt to taste. When it cools down well, we will add a little water and make it into a smooth fine paste. Wash and peel the beetroot, trim the edges, the top and the bottom. Then we can chop it into fine pieces. Our Paruppu Thogayal is cooling. We will make the beetroot poriyal. So I have washed, peeled and chopped about 3 beetroots. Now heat about a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, a little bit of jeera, some curry leaves. I have taken 2 green chillis. Sprinkle some hing. Next, add in the washed, peeled and chopped beetroot to it. Add a small pinch of turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. And just sprinkle some water. Keep the flame low and cook till done. Side by side, let's get ready for making the rasam too. Here I have taken a large amla size piece of tamarind and soaked it in water, kept it ready. Now for this jeera rasam, we will not use our homemade rasam powder, but we will make a fresh masala paste. For that I am taking half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 2 teaspoons of tuvar dal and 2 dry red chillis. Add some water and allow it all to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. So by the time your beetroot and thogayal is ready, this would have soaked and you can make your rasam. Now add this dal and chillis for the thogayal into the mixer jar. Here again one small tip. First run it dry. That is, allow it to become a dry powder. After that add water, just the required quantity, and make it into a thick paste. See, first I have ground it into a powder. Now I will add just the required quantity of water and make it into a paste. See, this is the texture and consistency which we require. It should be a thick paste like this. It is called a thogayal. Now Paruppu Thogayal is not very spicy. It will only be mildly spicy, that's all. That's why I have not added too many chillis. And that's it. Your traditional tasty Paruppu Thogayal is ready now. Meanwhile, let's have a look at our beetroot. See, all the water has been absorbed and the beetroot also has cooked well. We just add some fresh grated coconut to it and your tasty home style beetroot poriyal is ready. Next, now we will grind our rasam masala. We had already soaked the ingredients and kept ready. Along with this, I am just adding a few fresh curry leaves for added benefit, and we will grind it into a paste. Rasam masala is ground and ready. Now we will just take out the tamarind extract. Filter out the tamarind extract. Totally about 2 cups of water I have taken. Now add salt to the rasam and also hing, about 1/4 teaspoon. And allow it to come to a boil. When it boils well and the raw smell has gone away, now add in this rasam paste to it, which we have just made, the freshly ground paste. Add a few curry leaves. Allow it all to again boil for another 2 minutes. See, when it is cooked well, now add just another glass of water to bring it to the right consistency and wait till it all starts frothing up once again. See, now the rasam is frothing up well. We can switch it off. Immediately cover it. Now we will do the tempering for the rasam. As always, take a teaspoon of ghee, add mustard seeds, jeera, and 1 dry red chilli. Pour this tempering on top of the rasam. Your absolutely delicious Jeera Rasam is ready. Now we are ready to serve out our meal. Hot Jeera Rasam, beetroot poriyal, steaming hot rice and Paruppu Thogayal on top. We can add either ghee or til oil. I prefer to add til oil. Mix it with the rice and you can even drink the rasam if you like. Have the rasam piping hot. A very delicious, tasty, healthy, homely meal for you. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.